What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Onyx Dejanai.
And your girl, Serenity.
Today, we are going to be doing a baking video. As you guys already know or should know, I do have a baking page on my Instagram. It's called Sweets by Royalty. It's by Royalty because people call me Royalty. I don't know why. That's just my name. So, yeah. Today, we are going to be doing cinnamon rolls, and we're going to be doing, what, cheesecake, I think?
Cheesecake.
Yeah, cheesecake. So, I'm going to be doing those. This is my little sister, by the way, if y'all was wondering. So, go subscribe to her page. It's called Serenity. So, there you go. I'm so weak. But anyway, that's what we're going to do. So, let's get to it. So first things first, guys, I rolled out my dough already, and I basically am showing you now what I did. Sorry about my shirt, like I got flour everywhere. Now I'm taking a mixture I made up for these cinnamon rolls. As you guys already know, you're supposed to take cinnamon and sugar, but I did those two ingredients and I added 2 more of my own. Of course, I'm not going to tell you my secret ingredients. Next, I'm basically going to show you guys how it's supposed to look after you put your ingredients on top of the dough. Then I'm basically going to roll in the dough into a long log, as you would say. Sometimes you can put butter on it so it doesn't, stick or fall apart. But sometimes I use Crisco because that works as well. And I'm basically just rolling it, as you can see. And then I'm going to take some more of the mixture and put it on top of that. It actually stays together more and it gives it a nice coat and it tastes better. I'm rubbing it like a baby's bottom. Oh, me and my sister are so cute. As you can see, it takes me a minute to actually roll it the way I want it because I wanted it to be perfect. I don't like a big piece of cinnamon roll. Now I am cutting it into medium-sized pieces, and I'm basically going to dip those pieces back in my mixture, as you can see. I will be posting pictures of the outcome and what I was doing in the process, and I will be commenting in the description below of everything I did. Thanks, guys. Bye. I'm feeling myself.